In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add progress tracking in Monday.com in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make your project management even more efficient. First things first, you need to navigate to Monday.com. This platform offers a dynamic way to manage your projects with tools that simplify tracking and collaboration. Once you're on the website, head over to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find the login button. Click on it to proceed. If it's your first time logging into Monday.com, you may need to sign in using Google or an email that is linked to your Monday account. Don't worry if this process takes a minute, as it's necessary for ensuring your workspace is secure and personalized. For those of you who have logged in before, you'll be directed straight to your Monday workspace where all your projects live. Now that you're inside your workspace, it's time to get down to business. Select the board you want to work on. This could be a particular project where you wish to add progress tracking. Once you've chosen your board, scroll over to the last column. Here, you'll notice a plus sign button which allows you to add new columns. Click on this plus sign to start the process of adding progress tracking. Next, a convenient search bar will appear. Type in progress tracking into the search bar and watch as Monday.com retrieves the relevant option for you. This feature is designed to streamline the process of adding custom options to your project boards, ensuring you can easily track the status of your tasks. The progress tracking column will then be added to your board. This integration allows for seamless updates on how each task or project is advancing. But we're not done yet. Click on the three dotted icon beside the name of the column to access additional settings. This is your gateway to personalizing how progress is measured in your projects. In the settings, you'll find an option to customize progress. Click on Customize Progress to tailor the column according to your workflow needs. This could involve setting specific milestones or percentage markers that best represent progress for your team. Additionally, for those looking to maintain integrity and security, there's an option to lock the column. This means that only authorized users can edit the progress, ensuring that tracking remains consistent and accurate. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully added a progress tracking column to your Monday.com board, enhancing your project management capabilities in just 5 minutes. We hope this tutorial makes your work a bit more streamlined and your team even more productive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.